Good evening. Today we are going to discuss a very important thing, that what is OSCET and why everybody should do it.
OSCIT, a complete computer course by Odisha Knowledge Corporation Limited.
Okay, let us consider an example. Suppose you are reading a novel. ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ନୋବେଲ ପଢ଼ିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ତ ନୋବେଲ କୁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କେତେ ଟାଇମ୍ ଲାଗିବ? Maybe 1 day, maybe 2 days, maybe 4 or 5 days. Definitely it will take a lot of time to complete the novel. Because what happens, we cannot continuously read the novel because we have the limitations. But if any filmmaker is making the film on that novel, then complete novel will be covered within 3 hours. 3 घंटा भितर कंप्लीट नॉवेलटा कवर हो। और अपन जो नॉवेलटा 3 कि 4 दिन पढ़ुले से 3 घंटा भितर पूरा बुझीपर। एंड फिल्म व्हाट हैपेंस, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द फिल्म इन वेरी बेटर वे। सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट फिल्मटा आपन को बहुत दिन मन भी रही। आज टू 10 वर्ष कि 15 वर्ष पूर्व सपोज यू हैव सीन अ वेरी गुड मूवी, देन डेफिनेटली आपन को मन थी। व्हाई दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग इज हैपनिंग? व्हाई दिस इज हैपनिंग? Due to multimedia. The film contains each and everything in form of multimedia. And that's why we are able to cover a lot of things within 3 hours. 3 घंटा भितर आम बहुत किसी बुझी पारुछु because film contains multimedia. Our brain mapped in such a way that it accepts multimedia very easily. कारण छुआ बेलो हमारे एजुकेशन टे स्टार्ट इसी ग्राफिक्स नहीं गए। A for apple, B for ball, this kind of the graphics. We have started our education. And that's what happens, our brain mapped in such a way. Same technology used in OSCIT. In the OSCIT what happens, Windows, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, database management system, different things they have combined together.
In OSCIT, you will learn computer basic, Windows, Internet, MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, MS Access, useful mobile apps, Scratch programming and many more. Welcome to OSCIT.
And it is converted into multimedia. Means you are going to learn each and everything in form of multimedia. Here what happens, first advantage you are going to get, that you can understand each and every topic very better way because it contains multimedia. Second thing is that you can put the full concentration. Multimedia रे आम ब्रेन concentration अधिक करी पारे। Third advantage is that you can cover a lot of things within limited time period. जो कोर्स टा अपन ऑफलाइन रे कॉलेज 6 मास की वर्ष से लगी, that you are going to cover within 3 months because of multimedia and same technology. Just I have given the example, story and movie. Fourth advantage is that if you are facing difficulties to understand any topic in English, then you can do that in Hindi also. And it is not necessary if you have started in Hindi means you have to continue in Hindi. You can change the language at any moment. It's a very big advantage of OSCIT. Next advantage is that if you are not able to understand a topic first time, you can repeat that number of times. Then this kind of lot of advantages available in OSCIT. Second thing is that it is going to cover or it covers around 200 skills.
Smart typing skill, office work skill, daily life skill, cyber security skill, freelancing and many more.
ये आपन को शिक्षे दूची अपन काम केमती करिवे, ऑनलाइन काम केमती करिवे, how you do the freelancing. This is also one important part of the OSCIT. Means it is going to teach you the computer. It is going to teach you how to earn by the help of the computer. It is going to clear each and every doubt whatever you are facing. Second thing is that it is an evidence-based learning system. Means अपन जो कंप्यूटर क्लास करू छांती तब प्रूफ टा रही होची हम सर्वर स्टोरी की रही होची कि दैट पर्सन ए दिन क्लास बस छी एतकी क्लास करछि And last one is that you are going to get a certificate directly from the Government of Odisha. That is the Odisha State Open University, Government of Odisha.
Certification by Odisha State Open University, Government of Odisha.
And this certificate is one of the mandatory qualification for Government of Odisha job. And that's what happens. I would like to suggest each and everybody that you must do OSCET. Thank you.